The Texcontrol 737550731 is a custom 7-output motor control that runs 7 AC motors in a coordinated effort for a specific Texcontrol machine used in the textile industry. This version, like the other versions we've worked on, is very difficult to work on and requires a large amount of effort. This machine and all its parts are from Brazil and use a large number of custom parts, but ERD has been successful at repairing these units. The video shows the unit being tested, one motor connection at a time, for all 7 outputs. This system is designed in such a manner that any minor problem can quickly become catastrophic.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.